Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on your Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix your mouse scrolling issues, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open the control panel. For that, click on the start menu and type here control panel. Click on the control panel. In this you can see this type of interface. If you want to change, just click on the category and select as small icon. In this you will find mouse. Just click on the mouse. Guys, in this you can see here buttons option. Just click on that. If you want to increase your double click speed, you can adjust it from here. After adjusting, click on apply. Come to the wheel option. You can see roll the wheel one notch to scroll the following number of the lines at a time. You can see the option is selected as 2. If you want to change, you can adjust it from here. Come to the second option. Tilt the wheel to scroll the following number of the character at a time. You can see this is also adjusted as a 2. If you want to change it from here. Click on apply. Click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.